Are you planning to work in Dubai as a registered healthcare professional? Then this video is for you. Whether you are a doctor, nurse, technician, physiotherapist, dentist, pharmacist, or any other healthcare provider, this is your first step towards achieving your dream career in Dubai. Hello everyone, you are listening to Dr. Huma Ibrar, and in this video we'll share about DHA, Dubai Health Authority, that is the governing body for healthcare professionals in Dubai, responsible for licensing and regulations. So, mandatory to work in Dubai for healthcare professionals, all healthcare professionals must be DHA licensed, applies to physiotherapists, doctors, nurses, etc. Click the bell icon. Don't miss the next video. Steps to become a registered healthcare provider in Dubai includes make an account on DHA website. Number 2 is self-assessment. Number 3 is Dataflow that costs approximately 990 dirham. Number 4 is exam schedule. This video covers first two steps. Number 1, how to make an account on DHA website and how to do self-assessment. How to make an account on DHA website. So in Google Chrome, you have to type DHA unique ID. So here we go. This is the DHA website. We'll have to generate a DHA unique ID. Generate DHA CBT eligibility ID. Please enter your DHA unique ID. If you do not have it, you can find it here. Click on here and there is the option of register. So you have to click on this option that shows register. This one. So you have to click here. So here we go. We have to fulfill these requirements: username, email, password, and then confirm password, the first name, middle name, last name, nationality, and mobile number. You have to complete all these details in DHA website for your unique ID. Then click on I'm not a robot. Select this and click on the register. Now you will receive an OPT in your registered mobile number. Add the OPT here and you will generate your DHA unique ID. The second one is how to do self-assessment. Now next we have to do self-assessment. We have to write Charian portal self-assessment in Google, and here we have to select the first one, self-assessment tool. So here we go. There is self-assessment tool. Tell us about yourself. So which category are you applying for? You can select your category. We are selecting allied health. So what is your specialization? You can select your specialization. Here we will select a specialization as physiotherapist or physiotherapy. And the next, what title are you applying for? You can select your title here. We will select physiotherapist. And next is, what is your nationality? Select your nationality here. Which degree do you hold relevant to this position? You will have to select your degree. And the next, which country did you complete this degree from? So you have to enlist your country. And next is starting date. You will have to add your starting date of degree and the end date of degree. So the next you have to select, do you have any related professional experience post completing your education qualifications related to this title? We'll select yes. And the next, when did you start your experience? Select your starting and ending date of your experience, whatever it is. On the next, where did you complete your experience? So you have to select a country from which you have completed your experience. So this is all the summary. If you want to edit, go back and edit, and this is all. And if the all summary is correct, click on get the results. So we are clicking on the get the results. So here we go, self-assessment results. You are eligible to become a registered healthcare professional as a physiotherapist. So the next, we will have to complete our Dataflow and log in for our next steps. So stay video on DHA Dataflow coming up next. Already have a full video on Saudi Dataflow process. Kindly check it out. Exam schedule video is also given on my channel that helps you to choose best exam center and date, tips for booking slots. Subscribe for each and every detail. Complete coverage on DHA, MOH, Hajj, Saudi license, Oman, Bahrain license and Qatar exam, plus Kuwait exam. Visa and licensing updates for Gulf countries. Thank you for watching this video.